name is Joe Jimenez. I'm the fleet coordinator here for Hays CISD Transportation. This is the transportation building. I'm the fleet coordinator here, and we maintain all the vehicles of the district. Day to day, well, in the morning, guys get here 4:30 in the morning. They open up, get stuff ready for the bus drivers to come in. Make sure we do have some buses that we pre-trip, get them ready in case you don't have anything go down. A lot of these mechanics right now, since we're short-handed, they drive, and when they come back, they take care of everything on the buses or white fleet. Anything from the small thing as a light bulb to a full engine overhaul. We do all our diagnosing here. We hardly outsource anything. As you see, we do all the upholstery, bus wash, you name it, we do it on the bus. On an average day, I know the guys, they'll put in on this shop 40 work orders a day. So that's roughly 40 vehicles a day that they pull in and out of the shop. The way I said, some things real quick, easy, some maybe take a little longer, but on average about 40.
And shows our product it's out there on the road. We've got to keep them going. As soon as they go down, like this one, we picked it up this morning, and it gets exciting. Running around in the dark trying to find the buses, it gets a little scary at times, but we get it done. We get it done. It's a group effort, and our shop leaders or foremen and stuff, they're the ones that direct all the work, and they're doing a good job.
You gotta love it, you gotta like it, you know, first of all. And I did this in the military. I worked on the vehicles in the military, so it's what I know. And buses, every system you encounter, you have to learn it. You gotta know where so-and-so is at, because not everything's in its original place. And I mean, other than that, you know, you gotta like what you do. It's nice here. The people here are great. You know, I like coming to work every morning. Some people don't. I think everybody here does.
Hi, I'm Joe, fleet coordinator here at Hays CISD, and we are 100% Hays.